Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of AdMail. This is Adam Bergman, founder and CEO of IRA Financial. I'm here to help you find the answers to the most frequently asked questions from my clients about self-directed retirement accounts. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Just search IRA Financial. Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of AdMail. I'm Adam Bergman, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. And on today's podcast, I am going to answer three superb questions on the following topics. One on doing a backdoor Roth IRA. Does IRA Financial charge for both accounts? The second on why IRA Financial versus another company. And then the third, who files the IRA LLC partnership return if you have more than two or more owners. And it's going to be a fun episode. I'm going to keep it relatively short. I know you guys got a lot of stuff going on. The feedback I'm getting is people love a quick summary in the beginning of the Q&A, which I'll do. And then keeping it short, sweet, right to the point, so people get their answers and can move on and do other things with their day. So that's what I'm going to do. First questions from YouTube. I want to do a backdoor Roth IRA. Does IRA Financial charge for both the IRA and the Roth IRA? So here's the summary. A backdoor Roth IRA lets you put away $6,500 or $7,500 a year if you make more than $228,000 married filed jointly, more than $153,000 single. The answer is we do not charge for both accounts. We only charge for one. So we'll charge for the Roth and we'll open the IRA for free and allow you to use that IRA just to do the backdoor. So that's a short, quick summary answer. Why do people want to do the backdoor? Well, as I mentioned, if you make more than $228,000 married filed jointly or $153,000 single, you can't do a Roth IRA. But since 2002, there's no conversion income limitation, so you can do a backdoor Roth IRA, which means making a contribution to an IRA, do not take a tax deduction, and then just moving it to Roth will 1099 IRA and show a conversion amount of zero, because when you move after tax to Roth, it's zero. One thing you need to consider is something called the pro rata formula model, which means that if you have other pre-tax IRAs out there from previous years, you have to take into account that value when converting to see what percentage could be Roth. For example, if you have a $5,000 pre-tax IRA from previous years, you want to backdoor $5,000 this year, only 50% of the backdoor $5,000 will be Roth. The rest will be taxable because it reflects the percentage of the pre-tax account to the new backdoor. So just only thing to keep in mind, if you have no other pre-tax IRAs, you could do a full backdoor of up to $6,500 or $7,500 if you are a 50 and you surpass the income limitations I just mentioned. We only charge for one account. We do not charge for two accounts. So do not hesitate doing backdoor Roth IRAs with IRA Financial. Second question. I'm looking to set up a self-directed IRA and I'm deciding between IRA Financial and another company. Why should I use IRA Financial? It's from Brad W. of Midland, Texas. Short answer is because we're the best. No, in seriousness, our expertise, our pedigree, we've over 25,000 clients, $3 billion in assets. I'm a tax lawyer. I've been doing tax law for over 20 years. I've been in the IRA world for 14 years, written 8 books. We have a team of 80 plus people that are trained in retirement accounts, IRAs, 401ks. And honestly, we give people the best customer service. We have the best technology. And we don't just set up these accounts, but we hold your hand through the process. So we have an amazing annual compliance service for IRAs and 401ks that will allow our tax professionals to answer questions. We have a tax reporting service that will file 990Ts if you have UBIT partnership returns, 1065s, 1099s, the 5498s, research, conversions, all that's in free. We have flat fees, so we don't charge for transaction fees, no asset valuation fees, no check fees, no research, no conversion fees, no termination fees. So we really make self-directed easy. That's been my vision all along when I got in this industry, 13 or so years ago. It was like $3,000 or $4,000 to set up a self-directed IRA. Excuse me, no technology, no help, no assistance. I kept hearing, go find a lawyer. We don't do that. Just give us the money and we'll administer your account. So I said, hey, let's build a solution where we don't just custody and hold the accounts, but we also can do the establishment, we do the administration, do the consulting. So we have a one-stop shop for folks that just want to get everything handled, including tax reporting, so they can focus on making the investments, doing what they like to do, and don't have to worry about all this complicated IRS retirement tax jargon, which is what I and my team love to do. And that's why I think I know we're the best around. And the growth in our business and the fact that we have such amazing clients, I think is what keeps us going. So I hope you choose us. Obviously, there's a lot of good companies in our space. Nothing against anyone else, but I think we just do it a little bit better than our competitors. So we'd love to work with you. So thank you, Brad. Third and final question of today's podcast from LMT of Denver, Colorado. I set up a self-directed IRA LLC with checkbook control and will have multiple IRAs as owners. Who will file the LLC partnership return? Thank you, Ellen. Feels like you and Brad are kind of on the same wavelength. As part of, excuse me, wow, our annual consulting service, we do it. We handle the filing 1065. It's a flat $299 a year, which most of our clients do. Not only do you get tax consulting, you can call us anytime, email us, chat us anytime for questions on prohibited transactions, UBIT, conversions, distributions, contributions, anything. We will handle, as long as it's retirement based, IRAs, 401ks, rollovers. We will get you an answer. ERISA, tax structuring. We also have a tax reporting division that's part of this 299, where we actually file. Yeah, we file the 1065 for you. All you need to do is go on our app, complete some information. We file it for you. Where else are you going to find someone that's going to not only give you tax advice, tax consulting, also file partnership returns or 990Ts if you have UBIT, or 1099s for distributions, conversions, for $299. I mean, yeah, we're that good. How are we able to do it so cheap? Well, we have 20,000 plus clients that are paid, and they don't thankfully all call at the same time. And not everyone has partnership returns or complicated tax reporting. So we keep the fees very modest, because we have a lot of clients paying, and not everyone uses it in the same capacity. So some are using consulting, some are using tax reporting. So we're able to have a team of very highly trained IRA and 401k professionals that are able to handle our amazing growing group of clients. And we'll get back to you quick. I can't say in the first minute, but within 24 hours, generally less, you'll get your answer addressed. If you have, obviously, tax reporting, filings like a 1065, that will be done before the deadline, or we'll file an extension and file it timely. And all you need to do is pay, the $299, which is, modest. And, most people say, it sounds too good to be true. How do you do all this for $299? And as I mentioned, we got 20,000 plus clients, and everyone's paying it. So it kind of all helps the group. And as I mentioned, not everyone has partnership returns or 990Ts for UBIT. Some just use the consulting. Some just use the tax reporting. Some use both. Some just use it as insurance and say, hey, I hope I don't need to call you with questions. If I do, like for $299, like where else am I going to find an accountant or lawyer that's going to answer my questions on call, that knows my account, that knows my situation for $300, which you can pay personally or IRA. So we think and we know it's a super valuable service. We love having it. We love offering it to our clients. And we think it's a super advantageous service that our clients really enjoy and take advantage of. So Alan, we got you. Okay, we'll obviously communicate with you, let you know when returns are due, and then give you the directions to add the information you need so our tax folks could do what you need to do. Otherwise, that's it. Thanks for hanging out today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's podcast. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Obviously, provide a like. Give us a like if you can. If you have questions, comments, criticism, good, bad, send it my way. You can always email us at info@IRA Financial. Hit us up on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, our great channel, which we drop content daily. So thanks again for hanging out. Have a great day, and see everyone again next week. Ciao.